Hi guys, how are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and welcome to the channel. If you've never been here before, I am so glad that you're here now. If you have been here before, welcome back guys. I'm so glad that you've joined me for another video today, and I just appreciate you so much for supporting me on the channel. In today's video, guys, it has been the week of birthday for Vanessa's Beauty. That's Vanessa_beauty over on YouTube, and I Love Your Skin _2019 over on IG. And if you do not know her, guys, you really need to. She is the sheet mask guru. That's what her channel should be called, Sheet Mask Guru. But it's not. It's Vanessa_beauty. And if you'll remember, during the holidays, we teamed up for Spaladay giveaway with her and some of my great friends. Everything Proof is one of the channels, Jessica. And so Everything Proof Beauty. What is just, because it just comes up do-do-do, do-do-do, and it's just Everything Proof when I watch her channel. So let me see. Yes, it's Everything Proof Beauty is Jessica's channel. And guys, you're going to love all these girls, let me tell you. It's Tara's Corner, Everything Proof Beauty, of course, Kathrin McCarty, and Vanessa's Beauty. So we're all teaming up again to celebrate Vanessa's birthday, and we're just having a ball here. And it is a spa birthday self-care collab, and we are just wanting to do something for our viewers in honor of this special friend that brought all of us together in this Spaladay giveaway back in December whenever we did this. And she has been such a special person in my life, and I know in the lives of these wonderful ladies. And if you are on her channel and you are subscribed to her, then she is a special person in your life too. She knows so much about all of the skincare boxes. That is her niche. The sheet masking skincare, like the Bella skincare box. She is really big into the Face Story box. I never say it right, but you know, we all love Face Story, and she has got your 411 on that box as well. Just skincare ingredients, she has a breadth of knowledge over that, and she is just learning more and more and growing more and more in that realm. She is just a champion for skincare, and she can put on a mask like nobody's business. I've never seen a mask look good on anybody but Vanessa. So just for that reason, you got to check her out. She is so cute. So run over to her channel, give her some love. It's going to be linked down below in my description box where you can just click on the link. Her channel is really hard to find on YouTube. It is hard for me to find on YouTube. So I'm going to link it down for you so you can just click there and go over and subscribe and give her some love. And you just don't want to miss her channel, because she's always coming across these really great skincare boxes. And I am a big sheet mask person. I do a lot of other masking as well, where, you know, it's just like a nighttime sleeping mask that doesn't have the sheet to it. But during the day, I love a sheet mask. A lot of people I have heard, you know, they're saying, oh, you know, we're shying away from those because of the environment. But there's just something about that sheet mask being on my face that you're just not going to convince me that it's not superior at helping drive those products into your skin and being able to roll that on there for a serum-based mask. Maybe with a cream-based mask, not so much, but for a serum-based mask, and I love a serum-based mask in the mornings, in the daytime. I use one almost every day. So yeah, I'm a mask girl. I'm a mask girl. So let's get into this and let me tell you what I'm doing. I am offering up a giveaway for my viewers in lieu of a present going to Vanessa for her birthday and in honor of her. So go over, instead of an actual birthday present, just go and subscribe to her channel. That is what would make her happy. So, so let me show you what basket of goodies I've got for you. It's a self-care basket full of lovely goodies that you can take care of yourself during this time, like a mini spa at home. And I've just got all kinds of stuff in here. You know how whenever people host a spa party, they have different stations that you can go to. So I looked up and tried to see, well, what all kind of stations are there and what's at those stations. Well, that didn't quite work out for me for what I think my viewers would really, really love. So I've got some self-care items in here, and then I've got some goodies that I know that my people will love. I have got a fresh soy face cleanser. I love this cleanser as part of my double cleanse. So I go in with my, you know, I'm a huge fan of the Good Molecules oil-based cream cleanser. I've showed it to you in the jar. And that's what I do my first cleanse with, because it is a cream to liquid oil cleanser. I use that first. And then after I do that, I will use the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. And this is a full-size cleanser. It's just a tube like this. And I love it because it's not a foaming face wash. It's just a really nice cleanser. So I've got that for you in here. And then I've got the Glow Wrinkle Treatment Light Therapy. This has a light in it that it's an infrared light, a red light, and an amber light. And it tells you all about it on the back, that is used to decrease wrinkles. So I thought that would be a nice treatment to do on your face if you have wrinkles, and who don't. That would be a nice device to use. And then I have got several different masks for you that I put in here that are some of my favorite masks. I've got the 111 Skin Mask. I have a Vet Daily Fresh. This is the Lychee Mask. A 24 karat gold glow sheet mask. I've got a MetaHeal charcoal tightening mask. I've got some from the Karuna pack. And then I've got a couple of the under eye masks. Some from Karuna and some from Patchology. So I thought those would be fun for you to use. And then while you're having your little spa, I'm going to put in the little 2-pack of the Deborah Lippmann polishes. Guys, these are my favorite polishes, and I just got to thinking I'm just going to put these in there in case someone didn't get these in their boxes, because I've got a ton of Deborah Lippmann polishes, and they are my favorite. I love these. These are the only polishes that I use. I just love them. So I've got that in there. I've got a jar of this is the Fab First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. So this is a alpha glycolic acid pill that just kind of takes off the top layer of skin. It's just an exfoliating pad, and these are wonderful. I love these. Then I have the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, which is a nice moisturizer as we head into the summer. It's not too heavy, it's not too bulky, it sinks right in, and so this will be a good one that's not going to feel too weighty for the summer. It's not one that I use in the winter time because I need a deeper, more heavy feeling moisturizer in the winter time, but in the summer I love a water cream moisturizer, and this will be nice for the summertime, so I'll pop that in there. And then I'm also going to pop the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, and this is just a really fun eyeshadow palette because it's got a lot of real pretty neutrals that you can do just a neutral eye, but then it's got pops of color, so you can rock it out if you want to. So this is a really nice one from Violet Voss. So I thought that you could just have some fun with this little basket. It'd be nice just to, you know, brighten up your mood and get you in that little, if you wanted to have a self-care day at home or a spa day and just kind of rock out a look, and you've got your cleanser, you've got your little pill pads, your moisturizer, you can do a little mask, and then you can just go right on in and do your makeup with some kind of fun new little palette if you don't have that, and you can do your toes. So I just thought this would be an all-around little basket in honor of Vanessa's birthday. So what do you have to do if you want to win this? Well, all you have to do is you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to be subscribed to Vanessa's channel. So check the links down below, or you can just click on the bobblehead at the end of the video. I will have Vanessa's bobblehead right next to my bobblehead. You just click on that and that will subscribe you over on Vanessa's page as well. And then the giveaway will start today and it will run through next Saturday, and I will do the drawing on Sunday. So good luck, everybody. I hope that if you want to win this basket full of goodies that you're the winner, and I will see you again in another video coming very shortly to you. I'm doing lots of giveaways on my channel and I cannot wait, and we are gearing up for Mother's Day, so it's gonna be all fun, and I'm really excited about the events that's coming up on my channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Smooches, everybody. Until the next video, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.